Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about generalizations. Generalizations. And of the topics we've covered in this little language portion, implicitly relative sentences, rhetorical questions, even ambiguity and vagueness, I think this will be the most important of all of them. So that it kind of excites me. I think that what I'm going to be teaching is very valuable. So please pay attention and we'll dive right in. Okay, so what is a generalization? It's pretty straightforward. A generalization is a statement about a category of things. Okay, so what are some examples of that? I'll write on this board. Um, okay, so one is Apple products suck. PC products are great. The following are kind of things I would hear people say, like an older generation. They would say things like, men are logical and women are emotional. Okay, now I do not endorse these claims. Um, One is because the words logical and emotional are actually pretty vague. Right? You're like, what are you talking about? But I don't know if some of you ever heard this. Like, it's kind of a um, like more of an older saying. So now I don't actually endorse any of these, or I think they're severely misleading. I actually am recording this on a Mac, but the point is, generalization is a statement about a category of things. So in this, I'm making a statement about a category of things. The Apple products, I'm saying they suck, or PC products, I'm saying they're great. Or about here, I'm talking about the men. Here, I'm talking about the women. So pretty straightforward. Okay, that's now you can already see I used a slightly spicy one because that's going to start to show why this is important because um, generalizations uh, kind of get people riled up. So that's why we're kind of diving into these and trying to understand them better. So first, we want to distinguish between soft generalizations, which is generalizations that are meant to allow for exceptions. Okay, and compare those to what are called hard generalizations. Generalizations. Okay, these are sometimes called universal, a universal generalization. Okay, and universal or hard generalizations are generalizations that are meant to have no exceptions. Okay, so if you look at the examples I gave here, the people making them, I mean, they're probably intending them as soft generalizations, generalizations that are meant to allow for exceptions. So they're not saying all Apple products sucks or all PC products are great. Surely they intend to allow for exceptions, or when they say men are logical, surely they're only not meaning that all men are logical or all women are emotional. Okay, so they probably need them as soft generalizations. So think, are there cases where we ever actually do make hard generalizations, where we're intending to make a generalization that has no exception? Well, probably some. I mean, in science we do, like in the laws of physics. Um, all two objects, for any two objects, it's always such that they'll have an attraction toward each other because of the law of gravity, right? That's going to be a generalization that's meant to have no exception. Um, so in sciences, they make hard generalizations, and actually every day we sometimes make hard generalizations, like everybody or all the people were happy. So those are meant to be hard generalizations. All the people were upset. Uh, okay, so we're going to dive more into how to understand hard and soft generalizations in the next video.